Each one of us have different roles in our society, be it as parents, be it as managers or workers in a company, or be it a leader in an organization. It doesn't matter who you are, but often when we go out, we will display the kind of person that we want others to see us. That means the I that we want others to see us. But the real us may be different. A person called Bill Bonstetter. What did he say? He said, in order to understand our relationship with other people, we must first understand ourselves. So this particular session, our focus will be for you to fill up this inventory, and I will share with you what kind of birth style you are after you have completed the questionnaire. When you fill up this form, there are a couple of things that I have to inform you. One, when you fill the form, choose the statement that reflect the real you and not the you that you want people to see. Be honest as much as you can that the real you, only you will know the real you, nobody will know. Some of the people that we have done earlier on do have issues that is not accurate. Why? Because the first attempt, they tend to choose what they want to be. So this statement is not what you want to be, but the real you. Now, each of the questionnaire will have two statements. So you have to choose one of the two statements. When you choose it, you circle either D or I or S or C. And then you have to put the number of D, I, S, C at the end of the questionnaire, which I will then teach you how to calculate, how to compute, to come out with the kind of style that you really are. Are you ready with your pencil or pen? If you have finished completing the form, now this page will show you the number of C and S and I and D that you are supposed to have. Please calculate number of I, number of D, number of C, and number of S, and put it in the respective column, yeah? And then what you need to do is to find the differential between C and S, I and D. But very important here is the sum of C and S must be 9. And the sum of I and D must be 9 because there are 18 questions altogether. And there are 9 questions that relate to C and S. There are 9 questions relate to I and D. Once you have done that, you find the differential. For example, 5C and 4S. So your cumulative result will be 1C. Yeah, why 1C? Because of 5 and 4, the differential is 1. But because the C is more than the S, so you have C behind the 1. So you have 1C. And then similar for I and D. If you have 9I and 0D, then obviously the result will be 9I. Alright? The differential is 9, and all the 9, it comes from the I alphabet, so it will be 9I. So what we have done that, yeah, you will therefore extrapolate the answer into this page. For example, if you have 5S, okay, the differential of 5S, and you have 3I. So you will find that by having the horizontal line and also the vertical line drawn up, the intersecting point is the point that shows your style. So the case I'm showing here right now, you are definitely a dove, but you are a socializing dove. What does socializing dove means? I will explain to you as we go further.